a disaster.
We blow all our money on a bad circus, and we're not any closer to New York.
If anything, we're further away.
Should at least want a circus that knew how to circ.
I don't even know why we bought a circus in the first place. We had enough dough for a plane.
Are you kidding me?
You must have some money left over.
I used it to buy tea, and then have them capped in gold. Now I can eat apples.
Sadly, I discovered I don't like apples.
No promoter is sending this show to America. It's toe up.
Now it all makes sense. No wonder the circus master was so happy to sell.
He was happy, all right. Happy about ripping us off.
Where did Alex go?
I don't know.
Come on! This way!
No, you come this way!
Hey, Alyssa! Watch your head! Alyssa! Alyssa!
I'm fine.
Fantastic! Was that trapeze americano?
Yeah, sort of.
Incredible!
I hope this is important.
Come in this way, Alice.
By the way, it's X, not S. Alex. Like New York Knicks.
I know. New York Nis. It's not hard.
Whoa. What is this place?
I know you think we are a stinky poopy circus, but there is something you must know. There was a time when Circus Sarkoza, we were a great circus. Numero uno in all of the Europe. And Vitali, he was the biggest star of us all. He was fearless, taking risks always anew. He'd jump to the hoop like he could fly.
Make the hoop smaller.
Like this?
Smaller.
Like this? It had never been done before because it was physically impossible. And the people, they laughed.
Smaller.
And the hoop, she got smaller, like the ring on the finger of the tiniest lady with the slimmest fingers. He would not stop pushing. And one fateful day, he pushed it too far.
Light the hoop on fire.
He flied too close to the sun, and he got burned. Literally. The extra virgin olive oil is extra flammable. And he lost everything. His wife, she ran off with the musician. He lost his dignity, his fame, his passion, and his fur. And when it grows back, it is less soft, more like a prickly beard. Scusi, Vitali. Nothing! His only passion now is the borscht.
Whoa.
He was our inspiration. So when he lost his passion, well, As Vitaly goes, so goes the circus. This is why we need your help.
What sort of help?
You can teach us to do new circus, Americano style. We find a new passion, make a new show, and we go all the way to US and the A. Hey, I know. It is stupid idea. We're a lost cause.
No. This isn't stupido. This could work.
What?
What you just said.
What?
The idea you just said 2 seconds ago.
What?
Your stupido idea.
It could?
Stefano, you're a genius.
No. I'm only average intelligence. Some say I'm even slightly below.
We are gonna rethink everything anybody's ever known about circus.